Yeah, if I were working with small sums, I certainly would be much more inclined to look among what you might call classic Graham stocks, very low P's and maybe below working capital, all that. Although, and I would instantly, I would do far better percentage-wise if I were working with small sums. There are just way more opportunities. If you're working with a small sum, you have thousands and thousands of potential opportunities. And when we work with large sums, we have relatively few possibilities in the investment world that can make a real difference in our net worth. So you have a huge advantage over me if you're working with very little money, but there are compensations to that on the other side of the equation. The Korean stocks you mentioned that I looked at 6 or 7 years ago were companies where you could only put a small amount of money in, and I was sort of reliving my youth. Somebody sent me a handbook of Korean stocks and told me that the market was interesting. So one Sunday afternoon, I did leaf through a couple thousand pages of Korean stocks, and I was sort of reliving my youth. I mean, you know, other people look through old Playboy magazines or something like that, but I looked through these old manuals of stocks, and I bought a number of stocks in small amounts from companies whose names I couldn't pronounce. But the stocks as a group were so cheap that you